Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently doing a short series of Christmas nail designs. This is video number 9 out of 12, so make sure to turn on notifications and hit subscribe so you're reminded about the upcoming videos. If you've happened to miss out on the previous videos, click this link right here and it will take you to the 12 days of Christmas nail art playlist. Enjoy the video! I'm going to start by painting the nail red with some nail polish. This is one of those nail polishes that really needs a white base underneath it, so it turned out a little bit transparent, but I'm doing 2 layers. Once the nail polish is fully dry, I'm going to go in with a gel top coat. This will allow me to remove the design if I do not like it without ruining the nail polish. Now I'm going to mix some black gel polish with a clear top coat. This is going to give me a black that is kind of see-through. I'm going to draw some thin lines going vertically down the nail. You can put as many or as few lines as you like. Once I have all the vertical lines like I like, I'm going to cure under the lamp. Then I'm going to take the same mixture and draw horizontal lines going across the nail. Once I have the pattern, I'm going to cure under the lamp. Now I'm going to take some black gel polish and I'm going to draw squares where the lines cross. Then cure under the lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to add a gel top coat. Taking the white gel polish, I'm going to draw a silhouette of a deer head. Of course, I'm going to be doing the sugaring effect, so before I cure the nail, I'm going to pour over some white dip powder. Then cure for the full 60 seconds. Then once it's cured, you can go ahead and take away the remaining dip powder. Here's the finished nail. I hope you guys like this one as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of what you think of this design, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!